Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. ABCD is a square of 1 meter length each side. AFGCDCHE is a hexagon with all sides of equal length. Find the length of one of the hexagon sides. ABCD, this is a square where one side is 1 meter, each side it is 1 meter, because it is a square. Yes, so this side, and this side, and this one, and this one for of the hexagon are equal. These sides are equal. Let us say it is x. Each side is x. Now we are going to find the length of x each side of this hexagon. Now we see that if from here to here BC is equal to 1 meter and HC is equal to x, this side is equal to 1 minus x, and here it is 1 minus x. Now we are going to use Pythagorean theorem to find one side of this triangle. Solution: from triangle EHD, one side plus another side, both squared, 1 minus x as one side plus 1 minus x another side is equal to a hypotenuse, which is x squared. So it is, these are the same. We can add 2 times 1 minus x squared is equal to x squared. Now we are going to expand this. This is in the form of a minus b squared, which is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So it is 1 squared plus b x squared minus 2 times 1 times x, which is equal to x squared. Here it is. We multiply both by, multiply 2 inside by 2. This is 2 plus 2x squared minus 4x, which is equal to x squared. This is 2 plus 2x squared minus 4x, then minus this x squared, which is equal to 0. This is 2x squared minus x squared is x squared, then minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. From here on the figure, this side 1 minus x, condition here, this 1 minus x plus x is equal to 1. 1 minus x plus x is equal to 1 meter. It means 1 minus x is less than x. This is the condition. X is greater than this one. So we are going to find the values of x because this is a quadratic equation. We have two solutions. If we get x which is greater than this one, if we find 1 minus x which is greater than x itself, this condition will be applied. Let us do it. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to 2. Delta is equal to b square, it is negative 4 square, minus 4a, a1 times c2 is 16 minus 8. Delta is equal to 8. So x1 and x2. Negative b plus or minus square root of delta over 2a. x1 negative negative 4 plus square root of delta square root of 8 over 2. And another negative 4 negative square root of 8 over 2. This is equal to 4 plus square root of 8. It is the same as square root of 4 times 2 over 2. Here it is 4 minus square root of 4 times 2 over 2. x1 and x2 it is 4 plus, here it is the same as square root of 4 times square root of 2 over 2. Here it is 4 minus square root of 4 times square root of 2 over 2. This is equal to 4 plus square root of 4, it is 2 square root of 2 over 2. Here it is 4 minus 2 square root of 2 over 2. Here simplify 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. Simplify. Here it is 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. Simplify. So x is 2 plus square root of 2, and here 2 minus square root of 2. Let's continue here. x1 is 2 plus square root of 2, and x2 is 2 minus square root of 2. From a condition where 1 minus x is less than x, if we take this 1 minus here 1 minus x minus 2 minus plus square root of 2, and here 1 minus 2 minus square root of 2. As to this value, is greater than 1. It is greater than 1. If you make difference, you will get negative. Yes, and here let's do it easy. 1 minus 2 minus square root of 2, and here 1 minus 2 plus square root of 2. So for x1 is minus 1 minus square root of 2. For x2 it is minus 1 plus square root of 2. Then square root of 2 is equal to, let's check, this is negative 1, negative square root of 2, it is 1.4. This is negative 2.4. This is rejected. And here it is negative 1 plus 1.4. This is 0.4. This is a positive. So the solution here, which is x1, which is 2 plus square root of 2, it is rejected, and we consider this x solution. We will consider x, which is equal to 2 minus square root of 2. So from the condition, from the solution, the equation, find the length of one of the hexagon side. So length of one side is 2 minus square root of 2 meter. This is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.